Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're introducing the February My Monthly Hero Kit from Hero Arts, and I have a video for my countdown card that I shared over the weekend. I'm sharing some simple tips and tricks for masking to create a one-layer scene with Copic coloring and ink blending, so let's get started. First, I stamped the foreground layer of my scene, which is a palm tree, umbrella, and a coconut tropical drink with Copic-friendly Intens-ified black ink. Off camera, I stamped all the images onto full stick post-it notes and fussy cut the masks. I grabbed a stack of 4 sheets for the palm tree masks, 3 sheets for the coconut drinks, and 2 sheets for the umbrella. This allows me to cut multiple masks at once, and if I'm ink blending, I usually discard the top stamped mask so that I don't have to worry about smearing the ink. I place the masks over the stamped images and press them firmly in place. Next, I move my stamps and stamp my palm tree again. I continue adding masks and stamping until my scene is complete. Then I cover all the stamped images with my post-it note masks and add some masking paper to the bottom of my image to mask off the sky. Then I blend the background with Hero Arts reactive inks in Creamsicle, Fruit Punch, Berry Smoothie, and Grape Slush. Around the palm trees, I add my ink in more of a dabbing motion than in my usual small circles for blending. This just helps make sure that the blending tool won't move or rip the mask. It's a little slower going with the masks in place, but it just takes a little patience. Just keep adding more layers and building up the color until you have a smooth blend. Once my sky is complete, I remove the mask and mask off a small area beneath the sky for my water. Then I blend Splash and Blue Raspberry ink for the ocean. Next, it's time for my favorite part, the reveal. I remove all the masks to reveal my stamped image below. Some people prefer to color the images first, mask, and then blend, but for me, I prefer not risking having to color all the images again in case the mask moves or rips or something else goes wrong. If that happens, all I have to do is restamp and blend again instead of restamp, coloring, and blending. As you can see, my masking wasn't perfect, but actually I think for these palm tree images that kind of works to build in a natural white highlight. I didn't cover up the masking mistakes because I like the way they look, but you could definitely color over those if you wanted. I did some simple 3-marker coloring on my trees, umbrella, and coconut drinks. I didn't do a lot of blending because I kind of thought the more obvious lines in my coloring worked better for this design. To create the sand, I started by laying down my lightest shade. Then I added some shadows and textures in the sand with my darkest marker. Then I just filled in the gaps between the lightest and darkest shade with different colors, adding texture and dimension to the sand. Once I was done coloring, I added some accents to the stamped images in sand with a Posca paint pen. Finally, I stamped my sentiment with embossing and watermark ink and heat embossed it with white embossing powder to finish my card. And that's it! The February My Monthly Hero Kit is now available while supplies last, so don't wait too long to snag yours. You can find more information over on my blog or in the YouTube description below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!